Hi, this is a GMAT question from gmatquestions.org. Which number or pair of numbers is a solution to the equation absolute value of x plus 2 is equal to 2 times absolute value of x minus 3? Okay, let's write that down. In order to do this question, you need to remember how to solve equations of this type with an absolute value when you have one absolute value on one side and another one on the other side. Okay, so what I would say is that if you have absolute value of A is equal to absolute value of B, the solution set is given by the fact that A would be equal to B, or A is equal to negative B. Now you can also say that negative A is equal to B. Either one, it really doesn't matter. In high school, we are taught that there are going to be 4 different cases. But in the end, we're going to have 2 cases because among those 4 cases, 2 of them are going to coincide. So really, we have 2 cases. And I can write them this way. Okay, just know that when you have something like this, A going to be equal to B or A going to be equal to negative B. You can also choose the fact that A would be equal to B or negative A equal B. It's the same thing. Okay? So that's what we're going to use to solve this question. So then we're going to have x plus 2. If you want, so for you to understand really what I'm doing, you can even put the 2 inside by saying that this is 2x minus 3. Okay? The absolute value of that. Yes, you can put the 2 inside. Okay? Again, once again, k is positive times A is the same as k times A inside the absolute value. I'm assuming that k is positive here, or 0 if you want. And that's what I did. So applying this rule, we'll say that x plus 2 has to be equal to 2x minus 3, or x plus 2 going to be equal to negative 2x minus 3. So if we solve this one, x plus 2 going to be equal to 2x minus 6. So this is going to give us, if you put the negative 6 over there, plus 2, you're going to give us 8. 2x. Let me actually do it for some of you to follow me. What I'm doing is this. I'm just bringing the negative 6 on this side, so it's going to be 2 plus 6. 2x minus x. I'm putting the x on the right side. Okay? So this is 8 is equal to x. Okay, if you want x equal 8. For this case, we're going to have x plus 2 going to be equal to, we have a negative sign here, be careful, negative 2x plus 6. Okay, and we're going to put the x plus 2x is equal to 6 minus 2. 3x going to be equal to 4. So x is equal to 4/3. So as you can see, we have a pair of solutions, 8 and 4/3. So 8 4/3 is the solution to the equation. Okay? Most of these questions have a pair of solutions. Occasionally you may have one single number. Occasionally it does happen, but more often than not, in the majority of the cases, you have 2 numbers here involved, a pair of solutions. Okay? So let's write down the correct answer. as you can see, D is the correct answer. That wasn't that difficult. You just have to remember these rules I wrote here on the right side, and you'll be fine. Okay, make sure obviously you do the solving process correctly. Thank you for watching. This is a GMAT question from gmatquestions.org.